Holy crap. No! I was about to follow you and I saw it go down like that. I was like, oh God.
Now my cooler stuff.
Snorkel's up.
Air filter delete, yeah. I got that one.
Good, good. Is that your crankcase breather?
Box mod delete was pretty fun.
Richard, look at the water flowing out of the dipstick hole. So if you ever crack your differential plug, you can use a 1-inch, what is that, 1-inch NPT PVC Schedule 40? Yep.
Yeah, that's 1 inch.
That's screwed right into the diff. Great diff plug. What's up, guys? Killer compound ride here for you. We had some good Honda versus Polaris versus Can-Am competition, and then we sunk the Honda and then got a brute force to replace it. So yeah, all kinds of different quads here. Really good mudding. If you like this kind of stuff, like, subscribe to the channel. I've got a bunch of videos coming out on the Sportsman in this video, a bunch of kind of garage type teardown tips and tricks, how-to videos that'll be coming out shortly. It's not as thick as it used to be down here. Yeah, Aztecs. That's got some really good gears. Ready, rolling. We have to do it for science.
I don't feel so bad yet.
Nope. Well, I lock my diff now.
You did really good.
Diff lock engaged. This is my first time riding the compound in like 2 or 3 years, so I don't really know all the holes anymore. Every hole I attempted that like the group was going through, I made it through pretty much no problem. And then I started to get cocky and hit the holes you could tell no one had hit in a while, and I did manage to get stuck. Unlike most YouTubers, I'll actually show that. But the Can-Am did phenomenal. I don't know of another stock machine that can turn these 33s, except for maybe that Sportsman right there. And that Sportsman does have some stupid power, but this Can-Am has enough power for 99% of situations. He's getting a workout.
Oh, you got it?
Yep. Oh, yeah, as soon as that tire got pulling, it was starting to bounce. It was going. Jeez. That was a good one. I had to work that one. This is a good excuse to talk about how waterproof this Gen 3 Can-Am is. So compared to a Honda Rubicon, The four-wheel drive system is fully waterproof, the screen is fully waterproof, and it idles underwater. Maybe they should start calling this the submarine or the Can-Am boat or something. I don't know. Yeah! Yeah, it's got the wheel speed for sure. That's some crazy torque.
Oh my God!
It's so close. You got it, you got it. Whoa! This is what we call the swamp run right here. Unfortunately right now it's really blocked with some very dense like weeds floating, I don't know, crap. So I couldn't really get through it from this side or the other side. This is the back side of the trail. Also, if you're thinking about riding the compound, you really shouldn't park out there. I think people are still kind of getting in trouble for parking trucks out there and stuff. The way I was able to get to it is I have friends that live out there, so I parked at their house. You need to lock up!